Hi. Milk mustache. Here you go. Ah.
Wow, you need a haircut, Jacob.
Me too. Ah. Take a drink of milk. Take a drink of milk from the Kool-Aid cup.
Oh, sure. I don't think he's going to get a haircut today. But
Careful,
when he does,
careful.
he'll probably come with. Oh, there's milk in there.
He was doing so good. That's why I got the camera out to tape him.
Can you take a sip of your milk?
Yeah, he did it. He climbed up. He moved the chair all the way around, picked up that thing, put it on, climbed up, and started drinking milk.
Oh, 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 oh.